What's good, guys? So today we're going to talk about anything and everything you need to know about that button right there. I just woke up. Allergies just took kill me. I'm waiting for my medicine to kick in. But yeah. So, of course, I have a standard. Let me back up here. Yeah, I have a standard. So, of course, obvious. I push the clutch in, not the brake on this one. Push it, fires up. Now, cutting it off, you ain't gotta do anything, just push the button and be stopped. But, gonna fire it up, and I'm gonna show y'all what happens when you push it while driving. Let's see what it'll do. Just go in low speed, like around my yard. Alright, we're moving. Push it, nothing happens. It's the same thing for higher speed. Let me go this way. Big hole. Ugh. Alright. Push it, still nothing. So, what happens if you push it and hold it? Still nothing. Push it a bunch of times. Finally turned off. Will not start up by dumping the clutch either. I think that might have been because I was just happened to be going slow enough. Alright. I found a bunch of sticks. I know there's a bush right there. I'm backing up beside it. Jesus. Shut up. Alright. So now, let's try that again with more speed. Push it a bunch of times. Ugh. Cuts off. That's what happens. You have to push it a bunch of times, it cuts off. I think at higher speeds the key light will come on. I'm gonna try that here in a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do this. Going down the road about 50 miles per hour. Push it, nothing. Push it a bunch of times, oh, it cut off. So, I didn't even have to push anything for it to fire back up, but I probably just turned it on and it self-started with the clutch. But yeah, that's what happens when you push that button going down the road. So if you had to cut the vehicle off, sit there and just push it a bunch of times, it cuts off. And then, if it's a standard, automatic, I don't know for sure. By the way, I'm on a very remote road, so I'm safe doing this. But, if it's an automatic, you might be able to turn it back on. You might have to hit the brakes to start it back up. I don't know, I have a standard. But yeah, that's the dangers of that button. Hope y'all enjoyed, and be sure to tune in next time. I'm going to try to do a radio upgrade on my car next. Or not radio, but a speaker upgrade. Wow. Blind curve. Blind curve. Let's see if we can whip a Yui. Yeah, America. And I spun out through traction control. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed it. And I've got crap, I gotta leave that. Anyways, guess I'm heading to the grocery store now, so I'll see y'all next time. TPZ out. Hey guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed that video, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you tune in next time.